I would like to know who is Jinu Joy. Mr. Jinu Joy?
Hi, sir. I'm Jinu Joy.
Hello.
Hi, sir. I'm Jinu Joy.
Yeah, Jinu Joy from?
Sir, I'm from Nenmara. I have met before. I am new business development.
Yeah. Okay. I got it. Happy to see
Okay, sir.
you, Jinu. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Mr. Noel, happy to see you. Mr. Noel, happy to see you. Shifanat, happy to see you. Sanoj, Sanju, Sandeep, Sajid, Rajesh, Soumya, Sriram, Subin, Sunil, Pradeep. Yeah, Shani, you can start.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can we start?
Yes, please.
Okay, fine. So namaste, everyone. I'm Ashwini, Customer Success Manager, and I'm here to welcome each and every one of you who have joined us today. So today's topic is about the digital solutions to statutory audit for chartered accountants. We have designed a well-customized and developed solution to simplify all types of standard audits. You can configure, enable, and conduct audit without involving the traditional practices decades. Today we have with us Mr. KK Praveen, our MD, who would give us the importance of the next audit solution and how it will be helpful for the chartered accountants. Welcome to the session, sir. Let me also welcome my friend and my colleague, Mr. Balakrishnan, Operations Manager, to give us a demonstration of the product. He will take us through the entire solution and share his knowledge with us. Welcome, Mr. BK.
Thank you, Ashwini.
I hope today's session would enlighten us on how the solution can help the chartered accountants to make the leap from traditional to digital. Thank you. Wishing you all a wonderful thinking session. But before we start, I would like to ask a few questions to Mr. Praveen.
Yes, please.
Praveen, so you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Yeah.
Okay, fine. To begin with, how did the journey for the next audit begin? Actually, we have started a new company called eAudit Tech Solutions now. So definitely you would have aimed bigger. So who are the people behind this particular product? What were your inspiration for this?
Yeah, it all started, like we have developed previously audit tech solutions, like an audit solutions previously, and we have implemented it in some of the banks and financial institutions. And then when we and then we when we then we have realized that there is a tremendous potential, and when we implement that solution, we were able to see some really good transformation in that particular organizations. And auditing has always been a very close to heart solution that I really have wished to launch. And then what happened now, basically, we as an organization, as part of bringing more professionals, we have brought Mr. Vimal Vanu, one of the leading chartered accountant in this area, and he has joined as a independent director in our company. And that is how we started discussing about coming with a product which can really help, where we have discussed, and we have released the pain points of the auditors, who is always under a lot of tension, stress, etc. You can see many auditors are always very like we're all tense with their works and all, because of they need to handle things through their team. It is not, you see an auditor goes there and do the things. So when the representatives of the auditors goes and do the things, it creates a lot of problems. And this is the discussions that I have with Mr. Vimal, who then mentioned about coming with compliance which can streamline the quality of the audit, which can enhance the confidence of their clients. And that is how we started discussing, and he shared a lot of the templates which is needed, and then he started working on it, and that's how it started. It really started from after my discussion with Mr. Vimal Vonu.
Okay, sir, that's great.
Yeah.
So the one more question which I have for you is, how are you planning to expand it, like nationally or globally? So what are the opportunities you see for our partners, or for how can you help the chartered accountant to utilize our solution?
Yeah, see, when we develop this product, when we design the product, we have taken a decision that it must be a global product. So all the architecture which is designed is to suit the expansion to connect with different countries. And of course, the complaints of statutory audit may differ from country to country, but we have designed in such a way that it can be a great SaaS product which can be promoted and implemented across the world. Whether it's we can even customize. We can have different languages, different rates for different countries. So when we plan, even in the designing phase, we have decided that it has to be a global product, and that's one thing. And second, my answer for the is about as a company, as a company which believes in partnering with different partners. I believe that this is a great opportunity for our technology partners who is promoting our product, because when they are able to promote and sell the product to the chartered accounts community, who always has command respect in the community, especially in the business with the business community. I think it's a great opportunity for the partners who can connect with the chartered accountants in their area, and that will really help them to connect with the business community. So there's a huge opportunity for those technology companies and partners to have partnership with us and promote this product across their maybe province or maybe in their country. So there's a good opportunity for them.
Okay, Praveen, so thank you for that wonderful vision you have just given to us. So
Yeah.
I think we are good to go now. BK, can we start the session? Balakrishnan?
Yeah, we can start. We're good
Yeah.
to start. Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Okay.
Namaste, everyone. So here, I'll just first of all, I'll just take you through a few slides of the regarding the solution. So which will be showing about what are the advantages and what are the basic facilities what we have in the system. After that, we will proceed with the demo. Okay. So when you're talking about the product, like it is developed in such a way, keeping a basic aim of taking away all the hassles of the traditional audit management, like the being in the location, managing the documents, and starting the audit, managing the documents from the end to end, passing over the paperworks and things like that. So to take out all these hassles, we have come out with a solution which in where an end-to-end solution, an end-to-end process of an audit is integrated in the solution, and it can be customized and used as it's a scalable solution which can be used in any platform across the auditing industry. Okay, and it's again it's a fully digitalized platform. In a single platform it's available, so you'll be having only one login screen with multiple options, like all the documentation and document related activities will be integrated in the system, like including the documents as well as the process flow and the creation of the audit and all the excuse me. And it is again a secured solution, and it's well adaptable, and it helps a risk-based approach, thereby increasing the efficiency of the audit. Like it's a secured solution wherein all the risk and other compliances are taken care, and it's a secure platform wherein encryption standards and others are implemented. And talking about the features, you can plan and schedule the audit. Like if it is starting from the scratch, if you want to plan an audit, you can start it by building your templates, building your questions, and building in the inputs what is required in the audit. And you can schedule the audit in such a way that we can assign it to some other people, in the sense other auditors who will be taking care of the audit. And once the findings are done, we can have the reports customized in that. And again, next is, you can build the audit also. Like if you want to define like what kind of audit it is, starting from the scratch, you can define the purpose of it, and you can build the audit stage by stage. And after that, you can contact and document it. Like once the audit is scheduled, the concerned person whoever the audit is scheduled can contact it, and he can document his finding, including the audit as well as the document which is related to the audit also should be submitted. And process and resolve the finding. Like once you are done with the audit and documentations and are done, you can process the documents and the findings, whatever is, and whatever is required a correction, that all things could be resolved, and the process could be implemented in a stronger way, wherein all the flaws are covered. And review and follow-up mechanism is there. Like once resolving is done, you can review the process, how it has happened, and what is the outcome of the thing. And if you want to have a follow-up on a regular basis, like in a weekly, daily, or monthly, as per the requirement of the industry, you can customize it and you can use it over there. Okay. And corrective and preventive actions also could be implemented in it. So, and again, on a secondary audit phase, where like if you after a preventive measure is implemented or a corrective measure is implemented, you can have again a review follow-up of the thing, and the end-to-end issues can be resolved, and the system and the industry can be taken to a next level. And again, the reports are there, which is again customizable as per the requirement. And talking about advantages of the software, is like it's a user-friendly design, means it can be used in any device, let it be mobile or a tab or a web-based solution in a computer. The user can easily access that. And it's again a responsive design what we have. And next is a standardized audit evaluation tool. The basic process of the audit is followed, and it's in a standardized process throughout the solution. And global application extensibility is there. Like since it's a cloud-based platform, you can have you can access the system globally, and any global application which are supposed to be integrated also can be integrated with the system. And eco-friendly and fully digital, means it's completely a paperless process. So it is an eco-friendly solution, and it's completely digital. End-to-end process what is followed in the system is completely digital. And effective automation can be done. Like once it is implemented, that entire auditing function or whichever is related to this particular system can be completely automated. And one more feature what we have given over here is we are offering free product trials, so that any user can come in. We will share the URL after this. They can come, they can register, and they can try the product from their end. Okay. So after this, next we will take you to the small demo of the solution. I'll just share my browser screen. So here talking about the next audit solution, we are mainly three levels of user are there. Like one is a super admin who will be managing the entire solution, including the creation of companies, entities, and things like that. And next we will be having the admin account who will be managing and creating the audits, and who will be assigning the audit to the auditees or auditors. And next will be the auditor or the basic user who will be logging into the system, and they'll be conducting the audit, and the findings are posted in the system. Okay, and again, one more feature with the audit, where the admin will be, he will be the person who will be doing the confirming the audit, and the approval is done. Okay, first we will go through the super admin session of the system. So again, this is a completely secured login or the pages. And if you want to have a multiple level of authentication, like on OTP based authentication or email based authentication, we can customize in the system. So once you log in, you will be taken to the dashboard. And again, this is a completely customizable dashboard wherein you can have the overview of whatever information you require. So right now we have got like how many trials are there, like 58 number of trials, trial accounts are there, and how many people are purchased, and what is the usage of the cloud solution. And like since it is a super admin account, he will be responsible for creating of the companies and managing the trial accounts, and managing the subscriptions and things like that. So we are given an option of wherein he can find in one view, like how many trial accounts are there right now and how many are purchased. If you want to add one more field over here, like how many is about to expire or expiration date, we can add that and we can customize the dashboard accordingly. So here is a small view of like how many are purchased and how many in trial version like that. And if we have got a global search version also, like any information related to this audit or account or anything can be searched over here and we can find it out. Okay. And coming to the administration part, we will be having the user creations are there, and group permissions are there, wherein we'll be assigning a permission to the groups, and general settings will be there, and role setting like user roles, what all they can access, what all they can't access, and all those things will be there. And audit firm creation, like this is restricted only to the super admin, wherein he can create the audit firms. And trial account management, like if any subscription is confirmed, the once they have done the payment, we can convert the trial account to a paid account and things like that. So that kind of management is there. Coupon creations are there, like if you want to offer some coupons, like we have got two kind of option, where in 1% based discount we can give, or an amount based discount we can give. So we can create the coupon over here and implement. So once that person who is doing a subscription, once he's entering the coupon code, automatically that discount will be applied to that particular person. And you can have a list of the purchase firms also. Okay, so once you go to the user creation, this is a place wherein we will be creating the users who will be accessing the system. So we can give the name, email ID, and the mobile number. And if you want to create the user directly other than the automatic format, we can get it done here. And you can activate and deactivate the users out here. And talking about the group permission, like if you want to give a particular permission to a group, so these are the groups what we have right now, like admin is there, auditor is there, and admin and super admin. So in this admin, if I want to give a special restrict or give a access to a specific access, I can enable and disable it over here. So here you can see like administrator is allowed, or user creation this particular group or the person can do. Scheduling he can, setting he can. So whichever is not allowed, I can just checkbox, remove the checkbox, and it will be disabled for them. And general settings will be for the pickup codes, like if you want to add an extra country or an extra information or extra code, you can get it done over here. And roles and rights settings is where you will be assigning the particular rights to a particular group. So once I create an admin group, I can just select like what all access I can restrict, or I can give it to them. So if I'm restricting, like create a user creation access is restricted over here, and create and update, that particular access won't be available for that particular person or the group. So that's how we will be setting up the user roles and rights. And audit firm creation is like, as I told you, this is a super admin screen. And if I want to have different companies under me who will be doing audit for other clients of them, I can do the creation over here. So this is where I'll be creating the audit firm, and I will be giving the admin. We will be giving them the admin username and password, with which they can create their own subsidiary companies or the firms they are supposed to audit, and they can conduct the audit over there. And trial account management, as the name says, like I can just have a filter of what is I can view all the accounts, or I can see which is not expired and which is expired. Accordingly, I can manage the account over here. This is for the trial account management. Coupon creations is, as I told you, like if I want to create a coupon, so I can just get over here, I can name the coupon and code and what kind of offer it is, what is the validity description I can give over here. So once the validity is over, the particular user or the person who is registering won't be able to use that particular coupon. Sorry. And next comes that purchase from. This is a report of the firms which has already purchased, and I can have a report in a filtered manner, like with the date-based filter and what is the payment status and all those things I can check over here. And when this is a audit configuration is there, this will be something similar for the admin users also. So we can have access of that in the admin. So right now I will just log out and I will log in as an admin of the system. So here I'll be logging in as an admin, and this is the admin screen what is available. And this is the pop-up what I got now, right, is now it's like it's customized. That is once a user is logging in, wherever his attention is required, immediately the pop-up will be coming, and it's again a customizable pop-up. If you want to remove it, you can remove, or activate, you can activate it. And coming to the control panel or the dashboard, see, these are the two companies which are created already under this particular entity, and I can just get into that. Right now, we have got an internal audit template configured into the system. So accordingly, whatever audits are configured, like statutory audit or ISO audit and things like that, as per the configuration, the templates will be listed over here. I can select that appropriate template, and whichever year I want to do the audit, I can just select it over here, and I can get into the audit screen. So once I log in here, I will have a graphical display of like what is the exact status of all the audits happening currently. Like once I do a mouse over on the graph, I can see like there are 3 pending audits are there, and how many is completed like that. And I can have the priority wise count also with different color combination, like green being the lower, and normal, and yellow being the medium, and high being the higher priority. So I can just again do a mouse over, and I can view the numbers what is available for that. And again, like this is again a customizable screen, as I told you before. Like if you want to have a line chart or a pie chart or a bar chart, we can have all those things customized over here. And again, this is like again I can have an overview of like what all audits are being created and which all users have been assigned. So as per the branch, this is a local branch which we have created as on a demo purpose. So I can see that okay, for this particular branch, it is assigned to this particular auditor called Akhil. And what's the duration of the audit? Like I can view over here what kind of audit he is doing, and it is assigned to him and it's not yet started like that. So I can just have a view of like overview of like what is happening in the inside the auditing system, like how many are completed, how many are approved, and how many are completed, how many are pending and approved, and how many are ongoing, like that. I can have an overview of it. Okay, and coming to the settings over here, we have got a workflow settings. This is one major feature of the system. Like if I want to have an audit flow, like if one particular person X is supposed to conduct an audit, and after that should go to Y, and after that should go to set for approval, like that. All those things can be customized in a single drag and drop. So here you can see the approval hierarchy will be, one will be the Libin, and second will be Abhijit. And if I want to add this particular person for the approval, I can just click on that and drag and drop it over here. That is, it's as easy as that. Okay. So I can just click and drag and drop. So this particular hierarchy is set as per the requirement of the client. Okay, and next is like the planning of the audit, like what kind of audit we are supposed to do, what are the questions which are supposed to add it, and all those things. It's as easy as customizing or using a Word document. I can just go over here in the audit plan, and what all things I was supposed to audit. These are the main index what is shown over here. This is sub index. So here I can create an audit question or main heading, I can just name it over here and I can create it here. And once I create that, I can just click on it and I can see that secondary index for that, in the sense like what is the subheading for that. So here I have just created one template that is for internal audit, and once I select it, it will show me the second sub index, that is acceptance checklist. Once I click over here, it will display me the what all questions are there under that particular audit. And as I told you, like it's as easy as doing in a Word document. Like this is a description, the main heading. Whatever question I want to ask, or the auditing should be done, I can add it over here. And what kind of input that particular auditor is supposed to take, I can check it here. Like the text box means a text box will be displayed, and wherein he'll be doing the entry, and what kind of entry he is supposed to do, like it's a numeric or it's a decimal he is supposed to allow, or if he can leave it blank, or it's a mandatory field. All these settings I can just do in a simple click. And if I want to add a sub question over here, I can just click one more item here and I can add one more question. So it is as easy as creating a form. There is no need of waiting for a developer or a programmer to do the forms for us. We can just create like in a click of mouse itself. So once I have done with it, this particular audit is created. And next is the scheduling part. Like once I create the audit one, and I will be going to the schedule, I can have a filter of the locations wherein that branches are created. So once I select the particular branch, all those audit which is created for that particular branch will be listed over here. And it will show me like what's the status of it, like acceptance checklist from which date to what date it is supposed to be done, and how many man hours are required over there. What's the status? It's complete or not? What's the status? It's ongoing or assigned or not started or pending for approval, like that I can see. So whatever is not showing a status, we can see a calendar mark over here. It shows that all these audits or all these tasks are not assigned to somebody. Okay, so here it's I can just click on the schedule button, and whichever person is available for this particular location, only those people will be displayed over here. I can just select it here, and I can select a schedule like from what date to what date he is supposed to do the audit. And I'm just selecting 28 to 31st, and the system will automatically calculate the man hours what is required for this particular audit. Means I guess once we are you creating a user, he'll be defining his working hours, like from what time to what time he'll be working, and what is his break time, like that. Once that is defined, once I select that particular user, automatically that particular man hours is calculated by the system. So accordingly, we can generate the invoice and we can submit the invoice to the customer after the audit. And here I have an option to select what is the priority type, whether it's normal audit, it's a medium, or it's a high priority audit. I can select over here and I can assign it here. So this particular audit will be assigned to that particular user called Akhil. Okay. And so after this, we will go to the approval process. So before going to the approval, we will take you to the login screen of the auditor, and we will just show you the, like what all task he is performing, and we'll come back to the approval part. So I'll just log out from here and I will log in as a auditor here. So this is an auditor screen, and you can see the difference in that dashboard. That is, he can't select any options over here. Like when you logged in as an admin, we are able to change the template or the financial and things like that. But as far as the auditor is concerned, he can only go through the audit what has been assigned to him. He don't have any option to change the any of the options there. Means the configuration of the audit. So I'll be selecting the max value. This is company what I have selected. I will be going for the audit. So I'll be taken to my dashboard, wherein I can see like what all audit is assigned to myself. That is right now I have logged in as Ashi. So these are the audit what has been assigned to him, and I can go for the my schedule also. So right now, if I am in this particular branch, I can just drop down. I can select the branch where I'm in currently, and I can view what all things have been assigned to me. And once I start the audit, I can click on that particular audit, and all these questions, what is relevant to that audit, will be displayed over me. I can contact it, and I can do the filling up here, and I can submit it for the approval. So I can just do the filling as per the auditing findings and things like that. And here if I want to change the priority, like if this particular thing is should be attended by the senior auditor on a high priority basis, I can just put it over here. Okay. And next major function what we have is like if you want to have any clarifications regarding any particular question, there is an option wherein this auditor can assign it to his senior, or his senior can ask a clarification to his auditor. So once I click over here, I can just put what all clarifications I require. I can save it. So as per the hierarchy, it will be taken to the next person, wherein the person is supposed to give a clarifications. And once he give the clarification, it will tell that like, there is a remark what has come. So as per that, this particular icon will be changing. Like right now, it is showing red means there is a clarification required, and if it is coming as green means it is telling that it has been resolved, or the remark has to be given by the auditor. So here we can see a summary of that process what has been done. Like there is a clarification what has been asked, on what date and what time. And one more thing I would like to add up, like each and every activity what you do in the system is logged. So let it be any changes or any updation, any deletion, all those things are tracked, so that we have advantage of security, as far as we can have the advantage of tracking each and every user, like what are their activities and what they have. Okay. And we got one more feature over here, like upload the document. So whatever evidence is there related to this particular audit, or whatever values is supposed to be submitted as a document, we can upload the document here. So we can just choose the file and click on the upload, so that particular evidence will be attached to this particular audit. Okay, so once I am done with this particular audit, once I complete, I can just forward for approval. So this particular audit will be taken to the admin for approval. And we have got an notification tab also, like whatever notification is supposed to come to this particular person, like if any clarification has come, any audit is pushed back without approval, all these things will be notified over here. So I can just click on the notification, I can view my task, and I can complete it. Now again, we will go to the admin part. Just log in as an admin. So here we will go to the approval part of it. So here, once I click on the audit approval list, it will show me which all are there, which all auditings are there, which is pending for approval. I can view all, or I can do a branch wise view also. So once it is there, I can see this is something wherein pending is approval is pending. I can select on it, and I have an option wherein I can approve all the questions after verification. Or if I want to approve only one by one of it, I can have an option to select only that particular question, and I can approve it. And here also I have got a clarification and a remark system, where I can click on it, I can ask for a clarification. So this particular clarification will be posted back to that particular person who has done the audit. And once he has done the answer, I will get a notification, and once I'm satisfied, I can do the approval over here. So this is the basic overview. Like we are logged in as a super admin for creation of the company and other aspects. We are logged in as an admin, wherein we are create an audit process, and we are assigned into an auditor, and we are logged in as an auditor, and we have finished one auditing and sent back to the approval. And again, we are logged in as an administrator. We have done the approval of the auditing, or the remarks or reviews and things like that. And this particular audit is completed. One cycle of audit is completed. And coming to the report part, we are just, as of now, we are configured only for some basic reports. So I can just log in over here, and I can see. And here we have one more option of having comparison of what has happened like on the previous years. Like, so if I want to know like this particular branch and what is completed, and if I want the data of 2019, 18, and 19, 20, and 18, I can just select the years which are required. And once I click on that particular audit, that report will be displayed to me with the question and the reading, the values what has been recorded in the current audit and previous audit, which has been selected, like that. So I can just have it. I can have an overview, or if I need a clarification over here, I can just do a clarification from here itself. Again, it will go to the person who has done the audit prior. We can have the clarification done, and we can resolve the issues out there. And next is like the normal audit printing. Like if you want to have an print of the particular audit, what has been completed and things like that, we can just select it here. And we can have the print in a PDF format or Word format, and we can get it downloaded and file it also. So this is the basic overview of the solution. And if you have any clarifications or doubt in the solution, you are open for questions.
We are open to the questions now. Anyone can ask questions.
Balashnan, I just want to ask one question. Okay.
Please, yeah.
See, what do you think? For example, an auditor, a point with which an auditor can, monitor. So, what can be a reason why an auditor purchase this system?
See, the reason for a purchase will be like he can simplify his entire audit function through the solution. Okay, right now, if you want to customize, everything is a paper job or an Excel-based job, what the auditors do currently. So there are so many places wherein you may miss the data. So here we have the triggers and operations wherein the corresponding person will be sent notification that this particular audit is being sent to you. And there is no chance of missing even a single question, because once that is done, then only it will come as a completed audit and the result will be given to the company or the super admin. So they have got the advantage of building the audit and conducting it effectively with lesser hassles of having a documentation and the filing and things like that.
Okay. Second one is about, you can see to conduct an audit, auditors also requires a lot of support persons, am I right?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So what can be because if you really looks at it from an audit point of view, the auditors are basically put the signature, they verify maybe the report or some other documents. Apart from that, all the works will be done by those people who assist them.
Right.
Okay, so
Right.
that is a practical thing.
Right.
So in this case, I just want to know, for those people who supports the auditing, what can be their advantage? What can be their advantage of of using the system?
User system is like again first thing is priority the documentation, like they don't have to carry any files from place to place. Okay, and if you want to have a review of a previous audit what has been done, then again I should dig into the files and things like that. So in the system, if everything is customized and used, so I can have a review of what has been done previously and what should be done currently. And like if I want to add anything like that, any reviews or sorry, any recommendations or any suggestions should be taken, I can do it lively online itself. So I don't have to wait for the particular person for the review or the suggestions. I can just post it over there. It will be going to the corresponding person. Once he has done with the review and the suggestions, it will come back to me and I can conduct the audit without any hassles. So I can save a lot of time being an auditor. After going to place, carrying documents or waiting for reviews and things like that, I can save a lot of time, and the resource also will be saved over there.
So when auditing comes, I mean those people who go to the client side to do the auditing, so there will be lot of things which sometimes they need to carry those documents to their office. So of course now with the softwares, they can maybe take pictures or scan or show maybe video or something like that. So that's one thing.
Yeah.
So by handling the digital documents, okay.
Yeah.
What is it possible that like for example, um, mm, uh, you show the document or you take a video of it and show and maybe show to the auditor and get things approved on the particular. So imagine he's showing some kind of maybe balance sheet, okay,
Right.
or some vouchers details, etc. So
Okay.
maybe to finalize a particular auditing, okay,
Yeah.
particular point, but there must be some, imagine there will be a supervisor auditor. Suppose if in a bigger chartered account firms, there will be different level of auditors, okay.
Right. Correct.
And you can see that a person who goes to the client site and do this auditing, and they will submit the report, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
They will submit the different type of documents or details or something like that, and
Yeah.
it can be approved by the first level of auditor, and
Yeah.
then it will be going to the top person who will
Correct.
be putting the signature.
Right.
So can this system supports this kind of hierarchical level of um,
Yeah.
maybe authorizing or what you can say. For example, one
Right.
document, okay, I have approved, then other person is approved, and third party is approved. So that kind of things is possible.
It's possible, yeah. That's what I mean by the workflow settings. Like
Ah,
as you told correctly, like there is no need of carrying the document. If it's a balance sheet, I can take a picture, I can upload it to the system, and I can send it to the review for the senior auditor. And there is something called a workflow setting over here, the solution. So as per the workflow, that auditing process will happen. Like whoever is there in the first level, that particular audit will go to that particular person. Once he has approved, it will go to the next person, and once he has done the approval, I can give it to the next person, or I can send it for the final approval. And in any part of the stage, if it is not getting approved, we have a procedure wherein it will be going to the previous person who has done the audit. Okay. And
okay,
in case, and we have got a configuration inside, like if that particular person is available for 2 days, how many days that particular file should wait for that person? Like means if he's on leave or something like that, we can have a predefined setting that okay, this particular audit should wait for this particular person for 2 days only. If it is not done, either it can go to the super senior person or the person who is doing the next level audit, like that. So all such kind of workflow can be managed inside the system itself. And as you rightly said, like they have a major advantage of taking the evidence like on a scan basis or on a photo or a video, and they can send it for the approval. They don't have to carry the files physically. Hope
okay.
I answered your concern or question.
Yeah. So one more thing, um, so during this audit process, for
Right.
example, imagine, I am working under an auditor.
Okay.
Okay, I may be working in the office,
Okay.
so I may be handling different works at a time. Okay,
Correct. Right.
uh, so is it possible that I can update this kind of works um, in the system, so that uh, the task assigned to me is completed or not, can be checked by the supervisor? Is it possible like that?
Yeah, it is possible. Like once we log
Because
in.
I want to
Yeah.
know
Yeah.
the thing, my question is basically, my supervisor or the authorities must be able to see my work. It can be, imagine on a particular day what are the works I have done.
Mm-hmm.
So imagine it will be like maybe from date to date, how many days you worked, all those kind of
Right.
things. So
Right.
is it possible, or maybe imagine I'm updating continuously. So how many hours I have worked on this? Those kind of
Right.
information is I got. Can I get it?
Yes, yes, yes. We have the option like I specified like whatever activity you do, like each from click and click or to change is logged in the system. So we are not enabled that particular report as of now. So we can track. Okay, I being an auditor, I logged in at so and so time. I started this audit at so and so time. How much time that system was idle, and when I started the next audit, each and everything can be logged. And if you want to have a report on a daily basis of the productivity or each and every view of your associates, we can have the thing customized. So we can have a report stating that this particular person is logged in at so and so time, he started this particular question at so and so time, and he finished it and went to the next question at so and so time, like that. So each and everything can be logged, and we can customize and build a report accordingly. That's also possible.
Okay. Okay. So Ashwini, you have any question?
No, sir, I don't have any questions.
we have Clarina Bomandke. Clarina, can you just introduce yourself, please? Clarina. Clarina Bomandke.
Yes, sir. Morning.
Very
Good morning, everybody.
Namaste.
Yes. Yeah, let me introduce myself. I'm a student banking in France.
Excellent.
And what else can I say?
Can you just, if you don't mind, can you come in the video so that we can see you, if it is possible?
Oh, yes, but my camera is has some issues, so it will be difficult to see me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You can just introduce yourself. How you got connected to this?
Yes. I've been talking to your. Can you hear me?
I can. We can.
Okay.
Yeah. We are listening.
Okay. I've been talking to Rishma.
Okay.
Because I was looking for an opportunity to know more about solution payment system, and I would like to have a training in IT system, because I want to study solution payment in the banking area. So I've been talking to Rishma about it, and she suggests me to assist this webinar. So this is the reason why I'm here today.
Okay. Is the topic interesting for you?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
So you're basically from France, or?
Yes, I'm from France.
Okay. So you're working right now, or a student? You said you're a student?
Yes, I'm a student. I'm currently working for an online banking named Orange Bank. It's a younger bank, and they have I've noticed that they have some issues to handle digital and manage the banking legislation. And it's 100% digital, so that's why I'm interested in this topic.
Okay. So you're connected to actually, unfortunately, Rishma has got some family functions there, so that's why she couldn't join. I will definitely be telling Rishma about your join. So you are connected through WhatsApp?
Yes.
Okay. So definitely, I will ask Rishma to connect with you again, and we will discuss more and try to understand how we can help each other. Okay. So anything that you want to know about the particular topic which Mr. Balakrishnan has presented?
About this the next audit.
Next audit.
Yes. Yeah. I would like to know if you have a customer and you deliver the product to your customers. Are they totally independent, like they can handle the project, they can manage it by themselves, or do you have a maintenance contract with them?
Yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, basically, it depends upon the engagement model. For example, suppose if your organization, this right now today, what Balakrishnan shared is a presentation for the chartered accounts audit. We call this statutory audit, and we also have solutions for the bank's compliance audit. Okay, so in this case, the bank can purchase it in a different level. Either it can be on-premises model where we install the software in your systems or servers, or in the cloud environment where you purchase the product, and then we'll also be giving you training, managing, supporting you how to use it, so that you can configure the audit and do things of your own. If at all any customization is needed, yes, we are ready to do that. If any problem is there, we can support you. And then for to continue that, we'll also be having the maintenance contract, as like you mentioned. We'll be having a maintenance contract with which we'll be continuing that support.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Clarina, for joining and asking questions. So keep in touch, okay?
Okay.
And I also wish a very happy new year from our company Safe Software. Convey our regards to your family, and I hope everything is well in France. Corona is not there and all. Hello. Okay.
Yes, thank you. Happy New Year to you too, and thank you the same for your family. I hope the country is not affected that much by Corona. Here it's hard because all the economy is very affected by the virus, but we are holding on.
I see. Okay. We also do have the same problems, but we are fighting out.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you for you participating in this program. I wish we will be having this program every week, coming with different topics. So I request you to participate and empower yourself, and hope this participation will help us to build a very good partnership, and help you in developing your career too, because we offer lot of business partnership opportunities. If you want, you can take up some products which can be promoted in your country. So we are open to that.
Yes, yeah, I would like to do this. Yes, definitely.
That's good. Thank you. Okay. So I hope you'll be in touch with Rishma again, so that I will inform Rishma about your participation.
Okay. Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Ashwini, please note down maybe her name and all those things. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Clarina. Fine. So
BK, you there?
Hello.
Yeah, Shuni. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you just give us a quick recap on the security part?
Okay. Security, Miss, can you be bit more specific?
Like the standards things and all. Like since we have discussed this in morning, it will be really great if we could share all these things in the webinar also.
Okay, like that. Okay, so talking about the security part, I think, excuse me. So talking about the security part, all our systems, what has been delivered by us is OSW or OWASP compatible. In the sense, whatever is the checklist, what is coming under the OWASP is compatible with the systems, and that standard has been followed. Let it be implementation part or deployment or user case and things like that. The security part is taken care completely. In addition to that, if any user want to have any encryption standards or something to be implemented, we can implement that as well.
Thank you, BK. Thank you.
Welcome.
Any more questions, anyone? Okay, Praveen sir, then I think, do you have any other questions?
Yeah, one second. Yeah, one second. Amaka, thank you very much for joining today. It's long time. Then thank you very much. Abdullah, do you have any question? Abdullah? Amaka, do you have any question?
No, I don't have any question for now. Trying to,
Okay, that's good.
I came in late.
Okay,
So I'm trying to follow up what is happening.
Okay. And what about Mr. Muhammad Karamoko Muhammad? Karamoko Muhammad? Karamoko Muhammad, do you have any question? Karamoko Muhammad. Mr. Noel? Hello, Mr. Noel. So Mr. Muhammad has said no. So Muhammad, I just want to know how do you feel about this product? I just want to know your feedback. Mr. Jinu? Mr. Jinu? Rishma, Clarina no joined you. Clarina, friends.
Gino, please unmute.
Hi, sir.
Gino.
Hi, sir. Hi. Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Praveen
hello,
sir,
hello.
you
Hello.
there?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me
Sir,
please.
Gino here. Gino here.
I just want to know your feedback. Hello. I just want to know your feedback. Okay, Amaka, are you there? Jinu.
Hello,
Mr. Jinu,
Praveen.
are you there? Yeah, Amaka, how are you?
So good to hear from you and to see you.
Yeah. We missed you a
So
lot.
now I want
You were
to.
not. Hello.
Hello? Hello?
It was not clear. It was
Hello,
not
Praveen,
clear.
can you
Can you
hear?
repeat, please? Yeah. Just repeat, please. Please
Okay,
repeat.
I said, okay, please, can you hear me now?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, I said
You can just say.
this part up because I came in late. Hello?
Yeah. I'm listening. I'm listening.
Okay, I said this software, I want to know because
Yeah.
I know it's for auditors.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I want to know, is it already made? Is it already made that you can easily install? You are
Can you just?
going to, you have informations.
Yeah. Can you just text me? It's not clear. Can you just text in the? Can you
Hello?
just text?
Okay, I'll do that. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks. Can you please text?
Okay.
Yeah. You can just text. I think Momo Kara has a question.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's okay.
I had problem with my
Hello.
hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. I can. I'm listening.
Yes, I had a problem with my micro,
Oh, okay.
and now everything is okay. I just joined the meeting and I want
Yeah.
to.
The
I'm just
product
listening for the
basically
moment.
what we have given the demo is the product for the chartered accountant.
Okay.
Okay. This is a product for the chartered accountant, which can be promoted. Which will be very much useful for them to conduct audit. Okay.
For the moment, no. Yes, yes. Hello.
So yeah, if you are seeing some
Hello.
prospect, I'm saying that if you are seeing some
Mm,
prospect of promoting this product, or you do you want
mm,
support, feel free to connect. We can support you.
yes. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
No problem, sir. I have your contact and I have a contact of everyone. If I have,
Fine.
I want to contact
Yeah,
someone, I know what to do.
Okay, that's good. Amaka, Amaka, I'm just waiting for your text. Are you texting now? Amaka, are you testing now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. Mr. Jinu Joy. Mr. Jinu Joy. Mr. Jinu.
Yes, sir, I am here. Yes, sir, I am here.
Yeah. Do you want to know anything about the product or anything? You can ask.
Yes, sir, I understood, sir.
That's good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Clara, thanks for joining. I'll drop your message. We can connect it. I'll share you a document. Hello, Clara?
Clarina, you say you are Reshma, then she will connect.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
Reshma here.
Yeah, Rishma, can you text me, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Amaka, you can maybe you can you can chat we can chat in WhatsApp. 1 second, you're already done. Okay, you are just okay. You said how you can market the product. Okay, it's a very simple thing. We can show you. We can give you the training program. When you want the training program, Balakrishnan will be giving the training program, and you can start giving the demonstration to the chartered accountants and close the deal, and we share the margins. Simple. We can share you all the product details. We can give you the training. We can give you training on sales, how to promote it, so that you can start promoting it. Amaka. Hello, Amaka. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, she said thanks.
Okay, thanks so much. That would be
Yeah,
very
thank you.
nice.
Okay, yeah. It's a matter of you invest some time with us so that we can give training. This is applicable to all my people like Clarina, Emmanuel, everybody, anybody who wants to have the training program, we are ready to give it. Shubham, do you have any question? Shubham,
No, sir.
why you don't have any question?
I understood, sir.
Really? Okay. So is it really exciting?
Yeah, 100%, sir.
That's good. Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
So that's a good thing, thank you very much. I think Noel has. Yes, Noel, do you have any question? Noel, do you have any question?
Sorry, Pravin, I have a question.
Please. You don't have to say sorry for that. I'm happy about it.
Okay. I would like to know if I want to promote it in France, how can I do? Do I have to talk to people who understand English, or is it possible to translate the program so I can introduce it to customers in France?
Yeah, that's a great question. Okay, see, one thing is about initially it will be like French, but if somebody is interested, and if it helps you to close the deal, we can give some kind of examples we can put the French language also. And then once if the customer if you need to make the customer happy, we can convert this into a little bit of French initially. And if the customer is very much interested, we can fully convert it. And if you see there's a great opportunity, we are ready to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, we are ready to do that. Yeah. Anybody have any questions? See, one more question from Amaka. I think it's a general one again. So Amaka was asking to organize this program in Nigeria. Amaka, see, I already mentioned that we are ready to do that. We will our team will come. Our team will do the things for you from the back end. It's a matter of I'm sure you will be knowing the fact that how we do the promotion. We send this kind of flyers, and we can also jointly do those things. Suppose if you can give us the maybe sufficient information like photos, pictures, like what we are doing, your company can take up those things in Nigeria and you can start promoting it, and our team will come there in the back end and support you. Just like what you have done today on behalf of your company, we can do the same thing. We have been doing it with a lot of our partners nowadays. Did I answer your question? I think Emmanuel also is there. It's very happy. Yeah. So anybody wants to see, the intention of this program is basically to give you the opportunity to promote this product. So we will be with you in all aspects. Even if you want to organize seminars or webinars, we are ready to support you from the back end. This is not applicable, limited to this product. All the things, even you can invite technology companies and partner with them where we support. Or maybe you can represent directly. You can say that you are the representative of SAFE for this product and do it, because that will add much more credibility. That will help you to connect with a lot of other companies, because many times many times they don't connect with the local companies. So you can even promote in the name of SAFE, and that's also possible. So it's up to you to decide what will help you to get more business. For us, whether you promote through your company or as a co-branding product or through our company, we are open to that. I hope I have answered the question and you are pretty clear about it. Amaka?
Oh, okay, yes. We'll talk more about it later.
Uh, so anybody have any question? Even if you are not asking the question, feel free to connect with again. As already mentioned, we are ready to organize webinars, not only for this product but for all the products. I wish to inform this to Mr. Shubham, Amaka, Emmanuel, Noel, or Clarina. All of those people for interested can come back to us, and we can organize programs for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I think maybe we'll catch up next week, but in between feel free to connect, because connectivity is the thing which help us to collaborate and partner. I really would like to thank each and everyone who has been regularly attending these programs. And I mean, this is the thing that when you attend regularly, this is the thing which really give us more confidence and more enthusiasm to go to the next level. So I am on personally, I would like to thank you all for this program, and I also wish some of them who have not attended this program last week. I would like to wish a very happy and prosperous 2021. Hope that we do a lot of business in 2021, and I also pray that each and every one of your loved ones are safe. And I request you to convey our loving regards to all your family members, and also request you to convey this kind of programs to your friends or business people so that they can also attend, and you can also make them partners. So next time when maybe Amaka can bring other people, it may be your partner, okay, your reference. Okay, so that can also, for example, you can also invite all the people for the next program on behalf of your company, and so that we will mark in our CRM, this is coming from Amaka's reference. So we will be only be connecting that partners through you only. You got my point, Amaka and Emmanuel? So even with this program, you can invite all your partners or clients, and what you need to do is you need to inform this particular company, particular people is from your side, so that we will mark this as Amaka's prospects or customer in our CRM. Okay. Is it something exciting for you? Like you can also be part of this program. Okay. Yeah. Because Amaka, when you organize this kind of programs, what will happen is it really enhance your credibility as a business person in your country when you organize this kind of things. So this is one of the okay. Thank you, Emmanuel. You have invited two auditors. Yeah, what we can do, you can organize a special session for the auditors. You can organize a special session for auditors. Try to collect the database. We can organize a program which is convenient for you. We can even organize hundreds of webinars. It is not just one. Whenever you want, you let us know. We can do that. Okay. And we can also give you training. If you have a team, we can also give you training in such a way that they can give the training to you can give the training to your team or the customers directly also. So we are we want to empower you, and so that you can do the business with confidence. Okay. I am seeing Mr. Chippo Mavinga. Chippo Mavinga. Do you have any questions? I'll be happy that if you respond. Chippo. Hello, Chippo. Can you please speak? I think your microphone is still muted. Chippo?
Yes.
Yeah, Chippo, please talk. I'm also seeing Ujbaja. Who is Ujbaja? Can you please introduce? Ujbaja.
Ujbaja.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, can you speak? Can you please introduce yourself?
Contact from America.
Pardon?
Contact from America.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay.
So I missed the main program.
Hello, Praveen. Hello.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
I can.
Okay, I was the one that invited him.
Pardon?
His name is Mr. Declan. I
Hello?
was the one that invited him. I was the one that invited him. His name is Mr. Declan.
Okay, he's an auditor?
Yes, he's an auditor. Yes.
Okay. So happy to connect with you, Ujbaja. We'll be in touch. We'll be having a separate session for you through Amaka. Okay. Amaka,
Okay.
you can arrange a separate session for them so that they can see our product.
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Mr. Chippo, I'll be very happy if we can just respond. Hello, Chippo. Okay. Otherwise, Chippo, you can connect through WhatsApp. Feel free. So it's getting time. So thank you again very much for all those people who have participated. Thank you, Ashwini. Thank you, Baleshan, for a wonderful presentation. It was really, very self-explanatory when you present it. I think, everybody have got some kind of points. And I'm sure that, this your presentation will help them to promote these products. Thank you, Baleshan.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody.
And I wish a great weekend for everybody. Okay. So bye-bye.
Bye.